everyone has questions. What is it that defines me? Why haven't I figured it out already? It's time to recreate yourself from scratch. Get rid of the unnecessary. Emphasize your unique personality. You need balance and perfect timing, quality and aesthetic functionality. Stand out from the ordinary with your signature accessory, created as a fusion between craftsmanship and technology. There's always an unnoticed partnership between form and function, and for that, nature has always been a skillful teacher. It has its own way of telling a story, makes you think of classic shapes, extraordinary details, a functional sculpture represented noteworthy. One thing is to be said about Lance's signature, really. It is born where cutting-edge designs meet precision. There's no such thing as perfection, yet there are things that embody fashion and technical efficiency just perfectly. Lenses and frames, the absolute duo for an exceptional visual authenticity. We learn from the past, tweaking timeless pieces, but also lean into the future. The unexpected might bring about a new feature. The goal? Gathering flattering nude tones to complement your beauty, make you feel truly accomplished and step confidently. Be brave, be daring, be calm or transparent. Clear vision, clear reflection.